Alright, Dylan, it's me, Ricardo Valdovinos from Facebook. I'm going to show you the M4, the test. I'm going to load up the mag. It already has gas, but let's see if you can. Alright, so load this up. Open bolt. Alright, we're going to shoot semi. Lock back, you know everything works. Alright, this is the gun. See if you could get a better angle, maybe you can see the condition of it. Alright, this is the back.
That's just light right there, so not too much.
There we go. Sorry about the mess. Alright, we're gonna shoot auto on this one. This one has some BBs, I think. I think it has some gas. So let's try that. Alright. That was pretty quick, okay. We ran out of gas and we still have some BBs in there. I didn't load up though. I didn't load up some gas and it's too much of it. So that's pretty much it. So I'm Ricardo, you know, I don't know. Just that's the video for you. Alright, thanks.